Ever wondered where the magic happens? Where the digital keys to your precious cryptocurrency are forged and kept safe from the prying eyes of the internet. We're talking about hardware wallets, those fortress-like devices designed to give you true ownership and control over your digital assets. And if you're diving into the world of crypto security, chances are you've heard of ELLIPAL. But where exactly is this company, the creator of these sleek and secure hardware wallets, located? Before we reveal the answer, let's quickly understand why knowing a company's location can be relevant. In a globalized world, it might seem insignificant. However, a company's jurisdiction can sometimes influence its regulatory compliance, manufacturing processes, and even customer support operations. It can also provide insights into the company's operational scale and global reach. ELLIPAL has carved a niche for itself in the competitive hardware wallet market with its focus on air-gapped security. This means their devices are designed to remain completely offline, eliminating potential attack vectors through internet or Bluetooth connections. Their product lineup, including the Titan and Titan Mini, has garnered attention for their robust build quality and user-friendly interfaces. So, back to the burning question, where is ELLIPAL Wallet located? The headquarters of ELLIPAL Limited is situated in Asia. Specifically, you can find them located in Hong Kong. This special administrative region of China has established itself as a significant hub for technology and finance, making it a strategic location for a company operating in the cryptocurrency space. Being based in Hong Kong allows ELLIPAL to tap into a vibrant ecosystem of manufacturing expertise and technological innovation. It also places them within a region that has seen significant adoption and development in the blockchain and cryptocurrency industries. However, it's important to remember that while their headquarters are in Hong Kong, ELLIPAL operates on a global scale. Their products are shipped and used by individuals and institutions worldwide. They have established a global presence through their online sales channels and partnerships, ensuring that users across the globe can access their secure hardware wallet solutions. Therefore, while the heart of ELLIPAL beats in Hong Kong, its reach extends far beyond its geographical borders. They serve a global community of cryptocurrency users who prioritize the security and control of their digital assets. Their commitment to air-gapped technology and user-centric design has positioned them as a noteworthy player in the hardware wallet landscape. Knowing their location provides a piece of the puzzle in understanding their operational context, but ultimately, their product and reputation speak volumes in the global crypto market. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.